Hello financial fans, it's Friday and it's the Friday for a weekend that's going to be extra long because we have a holiday coming up on July 4th, and therefore I have decided to go ahead and sell the one OTC over-the-counter stock that I had in my portfolio, and that is a stock called TOSYY, and the symbol was T, or still is I guess, TOSYY. And I bought that on June 8th, as it's been a long time ago, waiting for a dividend payment, and it probably would be sneaked in here somewhere soon. And when they pay the dividend, then, well, you do get the dividend, the stock will drop in value. But anyway, I paid $21.77 for it on June 8th. And I sold it today for a tiny profit of, I sold it for $22.02. So anyway, I did make a small short-term capital gain on TOSYY. And as far as my stocks right at this moment are concerned, for the day I'm up 0.12% in my portfolio. The S&P 500 is up 0.67%, so S&P 500 is beating me today. Dow Jones Industrial up 0.45%, so they are beating me today. And the NASDAQ is also beating me, up 0.66, and I'm up 0.12 with my portfolio. And I thought I would show you some of the sites that I use when I'm analyzing a stock. I don't have any premium sites, none that I pay for, and I think most sites, including the ones I'll be telling you about, I'm just going to be talking about Yahoo Finance and Google Finance. And to get to Yahoo Finance, just put in the search bar yahoo.com/finance, and for Google Finance, you search for google.com/finance, and you'll get a lot of information on different stocks from those two sites. And if you're beginning your financial investing, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you what I do here, and any money that you invest in the stock market you could lose, or any money I could invest in the stock market I could lose. But by going to yahoo.com/finance, I can find a lot of information, and the same with Google. And also I have a broker. Since I'm buying and selling stocks, I have TD Ameritrade as my broker, and they have stock analysis information available. And there are lots and lots of other sites that have different types of stock information available for you, and a lot of it is free. But let me show you here, beginning with the page for google.com/finance. If you go there, you'll get this page with, of course, different numbers because the market numbers are always changing. But you'll see that there's a search bar with a magnifying glass there at the upper middle part of the page. And what we will do is we will search for, in this case I'm searching for ARK, and you'll notice there's ARKK, ARKG, ARKF, and ARKG, and ARKK, and ARKW, and a whole bunch of ARKs. I own all of those, and they're all down today. And if I wanted to, I could just stop there if I were researching them. But if I wanted to get more information on a stock, what I do is go to, I'll search in this case for UFO, that's Exchange Traded Fund, and I can see right away that it's up 0.046%, so just up a tiny bit today. And if I want to get more information on it, what I do is click on that search bar, and this page, which shows the Procure Space ETF Exchange Traded Fund, and that's the UFO symbol, will bring up this. It looks like, well, there's only the chart there. Is that all you got? Nope. We go down a little bit further. What we'll do, we'll put a different symbol in the search bar. In this case, we'll search for Amazon. We'll get the page like this that shows that, but it shows a lot more. The page is very long, and if we go down a little bit, we can see some of the key stats, key statistics for this stock, and we could find many more links down below to go to find out information about Amazon. But what I'll do is go to Yahoo Finance. This is yahoo.com/finance, and I'm going to be searching for Facebook. You see that search bar at the top. I've entered FB for Facebook, and we come up with a page like this, a familiar page. I use these all the time. And there's lots of information available, and a lot of it is absolutely free. There's some of the sites that have what's called premium pages, and if you want certain information, you have to pay extra for it. But what I'll do is look at one other page here. This is from TD Ameritrade, my broker, and they have this kind of information on every stock that I own. And again, there's lots and lots more than what is showing here, because the page goes down deep. The bottom of the page keeps going down further and further with more information. But if you're going to buy a stock, get used to the idea of looking up information, analyzing a stock, and learn how to do it. And different pages have different ways of showing you the PE ratio or the volume or whatever. And hopefully this has been helpful for you, and I wish you a happy 4th of July holiday weekend for those of you in the United States, and I wish you a successful and helpful investing future for each and every one of you and me. I thank you very much for watching.